Crafty friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US and excited that you're here with me as I share a sneak peek of this month's Cultivated Creativity DIY paper crafting kit. So each and every month, we curate a beautiful, just wonderful crafting kit just for you. So we choose a stamp set. Typically, it's a bundle, but not always. And we grab some coordinating products. We design some beautiful projects, 4 cards and 1 not a card, each and every month for you. So what do we have featuring for February? We are featuring the hot air balloon stamp set and coordinating dies by Stampin' Up. Love, 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 love these products. They're super exciting, I think, and they're so fun to play with. So like I said, we've got some beautiful projects in store for you. So this program, Cultivated Creativity, is a subscription program. However, you can cancel at any time. So if you want to do 1 month and you find out it's not for you, cancel. Don't do another month. But the beauty is that you don't have to remember to subscribe each month. It's taken care of for you. It's automatic so that you have some crafty bliss coming right to your doorstep. So we do a full PDF tutorial. It's got photos in it, large photos, so you can really see the details of the projects. We also include a video overview. So there's not a video tutorial, but I do an overview so that I can give you some tips and tricks on each and every project to make your crafting experience as successful as we possibly can. Now, these kits are only available in the US because they do include some wonderful goodies inside of them. But if you live outside the US, I do have the tutorials or past kits for sale in my online tutorial store. So you can find that at CreativeLeeYours.com. So those post about a month after the fact because we want our subscribers to have first dibs, right? You want to have the excitement of all of this fun coming right to you each and every month. So it's important to take time for yourself, and this is a great way to do it. We take all the hard part out for you, right? We've done all the design work. We've cut the kits and packaged them for you. Each project is packaged individually and labeled so you know exactly what you've got in there. And of course, I'm available if you have any questions at any time. So would you like to see a sneak peek of what we've got in store for this month? I'm so excited. All right, now I'm not going to show you the insides. We always jazz up our insides as well. And so they're just as fabulous as the outside, in my opinion, right? So I don't want to spoil that fun for our subscribers, but here we go. So we've got this lovely little item right here, a little bit of glimmer on there. We've got some glimmer paper coming this month. And then we've got a simple, fun fold. Not going to show you much about that one either, right? But super pretty. We're showing you different ways to use your designs and stamps. And this is a fun floating balloon. So you're going to get to learn how to make that really pop off. But this still folds flat and goes right into your envelope. All right. Then we have a not a card. So this month we're doing this adorable treat box. Gotta love that with a little marshmallow treat inside. And then last but not least, one more fun fold card. And again, I'm not going to show you the deets on the inside because that's exclusive for our subscribers. So I hope that you will give us a go and try out our hot air balloon. Actually, I think we're calling it lighter than air because that's the product suite we're stealing that from. So our lighter than air February Cultivated Creativity DIY paper crafting kit. That's a mouthful, isn't it? It's so much fun though. All right. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below the video and I will answer them best to my ability. There is a link in the video description below so that you can get started with your first kit. And then there is a video also that kind of shows you how we have things packaged in case that's a concern for you as well. All right. Thanks so much and bye for now.